Hello, today I'll teach you how to find GCD or HCF of a given pair of numbers. So we have, let's say, a number called A and B. So A equal to 98 and B equal to 56. All I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number until both A and B becomes equal. So let me show you what I mean. So if A is greater than B, I'm going to subtract B from A and then store it in A. If B is greater than A, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll subtract A from B and then I'll store it in B. So how long should we do this? I'll do this until A and B becomes equal. So we have to repeat this until A and B are equal. So we have to repeat this until A or B becomes equal. So if they become equal, we have to end the loop and come out. I hope you understand. We have to do this until both of them become equal. So when they become equal, we'll come out of the loop. Or in other words, when A and B are not equal, we have to keep on subtracting. When they become equal, we have to come out. So when we are coming out of the loop, we are basically having A and B which are equal to each other. So we'll simply print any one of these. So we'll either print A or B. Both will be the same value and it will be the HCF or GCD of the given number. So let's consider few more things here. If A is 0 and B is some value which is not 0, then automatically B is the HCF or GCD. So if A is some number and B equal to 0, then the other number is the HCF or GCD. So here we will include two more conditions, that if A equal to 0, we will print HCF as B. Same way, if B is 0, we will print HCF as A. So these are a few things which we have to keep in mind. So let's write the program. So we have to run a while loop till A and B becomes equal. When they become equal, this loop should not run. So if A and B are not equal, we will be entering the loop. Let's write the edge case, that is if A equal 0, GCD is B, and we'll break the loop. Same thing we'll do for B. So the edge cases are done. Now we will do this and this. If A is greater than B, what we have to do? We have to simply minus B from A. If B is greater than A, just do this. So when we keep on doing this, let me give an example and show you. So we have A is 98 and B is 56. Let me do it over here. A is 98, B is 56. We'll check which one is greater. So A is clearly greater. So we'll do A equal to A minus B. So A equal to A minus B. 98 minus B. So what will be the value of this? It is 42. And this 42 will be stored in A. So now our new A is 42 and B is 56. Now we'll check again. B is greater than A. Yes, this condition gets satisfied. So we'll do B equal to 56 minus 42. So what will be the result? 14. So now our new B is A is 42 and B is 14. And we'll repeat it again. In this case, A is greater than B. So we'll do A equal to A minus B. So we'll keep on repeating it. So the result will be stored 28. Our new A is 28. Our B remains 14. Here A is greater again. So A equal to 28 minus 14. Our A becomes 14. So A equal to 14, comma B equal to 14. So now see, both of them have same value. So this condition will be checked. A and B are not equal. No, it will become false. So it will break out of the loop. It will come out of the loop. And outside the loop, we will do this. Let me explain why I am doing this. If A and B are equal, I'll print. You can either print A or B, both are having the same value. Okay, this is done. So some of you may have a doubt. This loop got terminated because A became equal to B. So why are we checking it here again? So the reason is, suppose if A was 0, suppose A was 0 and B had some value, say 14. So this condition will get satisfied. It will break out of the loop. And if you did not have this check over here, it will print GCD as B, and then it will also print this statement again. So in order to prevent that, I am having one extra checkpoint over here, so that when this statement or this statement satisfies, this won't get repeatedly printed. So we are having this if condition. So if you learned something from this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.